Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today we're going to do a walk around of this 2014 Toyota Cushion Forklift, model number 8FGCU25, ID number E000506. This unit is cleaned, it is serviced, and it is ready for immediate delivery. It has a 5,000-pound capacity, and it runs on LP. It has just over 4,700 hours. And you'll see here that it has three-way hydraulics with that automatic tilt leveler button. And while I'm on this side, I'll show you that it also has a cup holder for your operator. Coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 218 inches, and it has an overall lowered height of 93 inches. And you'll see here it has your hang-on side shift. Now this forklift will come with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. Looking at the tires, you'll see that these are brand new tires. In the front, we have the treaded cushion tires, and on the back, you'll see that we have those smooth steer tires. Up here on the front of the truck, we have these ultra bright LED headlights. Inside the cabin, we have those dual rear view mirrors, and we have some great adjustability, including an adjustable steering column, as well as a full suspension seat that is adjustable in terms of forward, backward, and incline. And we also have that high visibility orange safety belt. We also have a fire extinguisher right here. We have that rear-facing blue safety spotlight, as well as a yellow strobe and a backup alarm. Let me hop on, start it up for you. As I mentioned, this truck is cleaned, serviced, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.